Hi everyone and welcome to Maths tutorial sessions. In this tutorial, I just want us to talk about the perimeter of 2D shapes. Okay, now what is a perimeter? A perimeter is a total distance around a shape. Now we are going to talk about the perimeter of few shapes or of few 2D shapes. We are going to talk about the perimeter of a square, the perimeter of a rectangle, the perimeter of a circle, and the perimeter of a triangle. Okay, now here we are required to calculate the perimeter of the following shapes. Right, number one is a square. How to calculate the perimeter of a square? Okay, all the dimensions of the square are 3 centimeters. Now, the formula that we use in order to calculate the perimeter of a square is perimeter is equal to 4 sides. Right, now our dimensions are 3 centimeters. Then it's gonna be 4 times 3. Then 4 times 3 is what? 4 times 3 is 12, which means the perimeter is gonna be 12 centimeters. Right, now let us move to the next shape, which is a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle says perimeter is equals to length plus 2 breadth. Okay, we have a common factor here, which is 2. Then we can take 2 outside, then we'll be left with what? Length plus breadth. Then now we can substitute. We can just say 2 into 6, which is our length, plus 4, which is our breadth. And now we'll have 2 into 6 plus 4, that is what? 6 plus 4 is 10. Therefore, our perimeter is equal to what? It's equal to 20 centimeters. Right. Let us move on now to our next following shape, which is a triangle. The perimeter of the triangle, perimeter, is equal to the first side plus the second side plus the third side. Now let's substitute. You can select any side and say it's the first side. It's the first side, right? Let us say the 5 meter is going to be the first side. The 2 meter is going to be the second side, and then the 3 meters is going to be the third side. Okay, 5 plus 3 plus and 5 plus 2 plus 3, that is what? That is 10 meters. Right, let us move to the next following shape, which is the cycle. The formula that we use in order to calculate the perimeter of a cycle is, we usually use circumference. You can also say perimeter. We say circumference with the symbol C. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Then we substitute. Here it is given that radius is 8. Then we say 2 times, then pi is 3,142 times our radius, which is what? Which is 8. Then now 2 times 3,142 times 8 is gonna be 50. It's gonna be 50,27 meters. Right. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you gained a lot in this tutorial. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notification whenever we upload a new video on our channel. Bye.